The latest M4 and M4 Pro MacBook Pros have officially launched, and the performance leap in Apple's silicon lineup is simply breathtaking. This represents one of the most significant advancements in computing power since Apple first introduced its custom silicon chips. First off, the M4 chip brings incredible power to the table, pushing the boundaries of what we expect from a laptop. One of the most notable changes is the addition of a bolt port on the right-hand side, which wasn't available on the previous M3 MacBook Pro models. Plus, the M4 MacBook Pro now comes standard with 16 gigabytes of RAM, which is a significant upgrade, especially at the $1,599 starting price. The M4 Pro MacBook Pro introduces 4 additional performance cores, giving it a substantial edge over the M4 in multitasking and heavy-duty applications. While the GPU architecture is certainly better, the efficiency improvements in the M4 and M4 Pro are what really stand out. Apple's new GPU design allows the M4 to achieve a level of performance that is on par with, or even surpasses, some of its predecessors' more powerful chips. This is where the Apple Silicon really shows its potential, during intensive tasks like Cinebench and Blender renders. The M4, despite being more powerful, is quieter than the M4 Pro due to its single-fan system, whereas the M4 Pro uses 2 fans, allowing for more efficient cooling. Strangely, the M4 Pro remained quieter, despite being more powerful. This odd phenomenon occurs because the M4 Pro has 2 fans that don't need to work as hard to keep things cool. Moving on to gaming, let's test a few popular games to see how these new chips handle real-world graphics performance. I tested Shadow of the Tomb Raider, which is a classic macOS game, and found that the M4 Pro outperformed the M3 Pro by a significant margin. The M4 Pro hit 56 FPS, while the M3 Pro only managed 36 FPS. Given that the GPUs in these chips are nearly identical, the extra 2 cores in the M4 Pro make a massive difference in performance. I created a 30-minute timeline with some basic effects, and the results were eye-opening. The M4 Pro was almost twice as fast as the M4, completing the timeline rendering much quicker. The M4 and M4 Pro are marketed as the best laptops for AI processing, thanks to their powerful neural engine. According to Geekbench's new AI benchmark tool, the M4 beats the M3 Max in CPU performance. M4 and M4 Pro MacBook Pros are undoubtedly some of the most powerful laptops Apple has ever made, but there are trade-offs to consider. If you're looking for the best value, the base M4 MacBook Pro offers significant improvements over the previous models. However, if you need more power and better cooling, the M4 Pro is the way to go, especially if you're into professional tasks like video editing or AI processing. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more videos.